coming and meeting all people who are so passionate about food, the chefs around here, the type of we see people experimenting with various recipes. I think they are great. This is amazing. One of the things that we're going to launch today is very interesting, which is about we are going to launch an app, and that's an app for cooking. What we have developed in this cooking app is you can actually get a recipe based on the model you have purchased. So if you have a model X, and if you tell I have got 3 ingredients, for example, I have kitchen on my fridge, and I have got some tomatoes, I have got some coriander, and if you punch that in that app and if you punch your model, it will specify a recipe which you can cook in your model. Okay, and it prompts you to how to cook. That's amazing.